we are going to have lunch, or is it dinner?
Let's call it brunch.
Okay.
No, let's call it dinner.
Dinner. We're gonna have dinner, and there's this really amazing healthy restaurant called KC Healthy Cooking. We love it.
Do really do.
And so I'm going to film here today.
Welcome to KC, everybody. How you doing? Ready to eat some good, healthy, gluten-free, vegan food? Come on down, 11900 Biscayne Boulevard, Suite 103, North Miami.
All right. This is Matt.
Yes, Matt. Nice to meet you. I'm one of the servers here. We have a huge, ginormous menu with vegan items, gluten-free items, fresh fish, conch, oxtail, you name it, we got it. You can't find something on the menu, we'll cater to whatever you need. Come on down.
And the food is really, honestly, it's delicious.
I've been here like 4 or 5 times.
And this is my, well, I came here twice in that one day, so that
Yes, so did I.
this is like my 3rd time.
They're stalking us. These ladies are stalking us. And soon you will be too.
Wow.
It's really good.
I don't even know what's in it. Passion fruit and what else?
I don't remember. What's in here?
Sour sauce.
Oh.
Is it okay?
It's amazing.
It's like a dessert unto itself.
It really is. If I keep drinking this, I'm gonna drink it up right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for my food.
Really good. Really good.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yes.
Ladies.
Oh.
Oh no, he didn't. He showed up.
Let's see it.
Ooh, that looks so pretty. Oh, that looks so pretty.
That looks so delicious.
There's portobello mushroom on top, and then the avocado, and then it's like a bean burger.
This is the double portobello. It's the portobello on the bottom with our vegan basil pesto, lettuce, tomato, avocado, a fig reduction, coconut reduction, top it off with another portobello with a knife on top.
I'm here with Chef Dominique of KC Healthy Cooking here in Miami. I really love your food. It's really delicious.
Thank you.
But I do have a question. Your name is Jerry Dominique. So what does the KC stand for?
KC stands for Cocoyer Cuisine.
Cocoyer Cuisine. Okay.
Because we love coconut around here.
Okay. Your menu is vegan, vegetarian. You also have some meat options.
Yes.
Okay, tell me a little bit, what was your goal behind that, like the vegan?
When we opened KC, our goal was to bring the Haitian flavor, the Haitian culture to the other people, because people had that notion sometimes that Haitian cuisine is just about the griot, the one face, the fried food. So we did want to bring them that, the healthy side.
So you also have, besides your restaurant, meal plan service as well.
Yes, we do meal plan or meal prep, both depend on the customer that we have. We've been doing that for 4 years.
So if I go to a nutritionist and they say you need to eat X, Y, and Z, I can just come here and you guys can prepare that for me.
That's correct.
Okay, and you guys do breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
We do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We have a customers that we prepare 5 meals a day for them.
Oh, 5 meals a day.
Yeah.
Okay.
We do have NFL players in our diet that go to 3,000 to 5,000 calories a day.
Okay, so you
So-
have some NFL players. Like, what's your customer base actually? You said you have some NFL players, but do you have like a specific type of client that you?
No.
No.
We cater to everyone. I always tell people, when you make your first step inside KC, you will figure it out that you have a personal chef, you have your personal kitchen away from home. If you're looking for something in our menu, you cannot find it, guess what? You can always ask us to make it for you. As long as that we have the ingredient, we will do it.
How are people finding you? Because I noticed that your reviews are excellent. You have 4.6, 4.9. We're
Yes.
talking on Yelp, Google, Facebook. How are people finding you, your restaurant?
It's easy. If you live in the area of North Miami, if you Google healthy restaurant, the likelihood we will be top one.
Okay, healthy
Yes,
restaurant.
yes. We've been in the top 50 restaurants to eat in Miami by Yelp in 2015, 2016, and 2017.
Wow, that's impressive. Do people have a hard time finding this location?
Yes and no.
Yes and no. Okay.
You know, the fun part, it's sometimes very difficult for somebody to understand that we are located inside the building.
Okay. Yeah.
So when they say 11900, that's the building. Said, okay, there's no sign, there's no showing KC, but we actually located inside
The building.
the building, 11900 on the first floor.
Okay.
So if you see 11900, so you're at the right place.
Okay. 11900. Don't forget it.
But anyway, you will smell the food.
You're gonna smell it. It's gonna smell amazing.
I'm telling you, yes.
It smells amazing.
So, just your nose.
Trust your nose. I like it.